Hi, I'm Martin David and I'm a Community Youth Offer Coordinator for YEPS. Nearly 5,000 young people aged 11 to 25 across RCT took part in the Your Voice Survey 2023 and told us about their thoughts, views and opinions on the topics that matter to them. This included interesting thoughts on activities for young people in RCT. You told us the top 3 activities you take part in during your spare time. They were being involved in a sports club, attending a local youth club, and participating in arts and crafts club. You also told us you like to attend activities during the school holidays. We asked young people if they would like more opportunities for activities. Almost half said yes. 46% of you said you would welcome more sports clubs in the community. 43% answered that you'd like more YEPS after school clubs, and 26% of you said you'd like more activities to get involved in through the school holidays. Your voice will be used to help RCT Council, YEPS and other organisations to deliver the things that matter to you. If you want to find out more about Your Voice, you can click the link below or scan the QR code.